In this video, let's talk about the way that you use YNAB categories for cash flow. If you're trying to track your income and expenses through YNAB, there are a few steps that you can take. The first step is going to be set up categories by type. So start by creating different types of categories and make sure that they reflect how and when you spend your money. So for example, you can create a particular category which may be called bills or monthly expenses, and inside of this particular category you can add in your expenses that you have to make on a monthly basis, such as rent or groceries. If you do this, you can properly track your expenses that happen on a regular basis. Apart from that, you can also create a category which is called emergency fund, through which you can add in monthly or on a weekly basis and increase the amount of funds that you have inside of the emergency fund. So as I just said, you need to create different kinds of categories for different expenses that you might have in the future. In order for you to create a main category, so the main category meaning this one on the top, you can tap on the three dotted line here and then create a new category name. To create a subcategory, which is this one inside of the main category, you can tap on this plus icon. Now once you created all of the categories and subcategories that you need, the next step is going to be to add in targets. Targets are basically the expenses that you set up for each particular expense. For the monthly expenses, set the amount you spend every month. So to add in targets, you'll be able to see the option of add target on the right hand side of the subcategory. You can just add in the amount needed for this particular expense. Once you complete this, YNAB will tell you how much to add in each month. So make sure you add in the target properly so that YNAB can also inform you about the targets that are pending. Now the step 3 after you completed those 2 steps is going to be to budget when you get paid. Once you receive your payment, whether it be revenue or the income from your job, you need to first of all fund your monthly needs, add to your emergency savings, and only then spend it for other needs such as fun or those categories which could go under wants. So by following these steps, you can use YNAB categories for cash flow. If this guide video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.